We are in Delta, Colorado today, guys. We've got a very nice John Deere 4455 15-speed power shift that we are going to put on. And the little man that owns this tractor, he's upgraded to some newer tractors, and so he's going to sell this one here. I'm going to start out with a video inside the cab and just kind of walk you guys around this little tractor. We'll start off here. You can see today we're showing just a little over 7,600 hours, 7649.6. You can see that the tachometer does work. I'm going to rev this tractor up a little bit. See the tach goes right up. See the gauges above it work. It was 15 degrees this morning when we came out here to start this. We plugged it in for about 45 minutes, the little tractor. Started up. We had to crank on it a little bit, but it was pretty cold this morning. So, but the little tractor does start up well. Runs good. I'm going to turn the PTO on here, or so I think. PTO turns on and shuts off. See all the controls, the differential lock and everything on the floor. Come over here, you can see the 15-speed power shift. 3 remotes on this tractor. Does include the John Deere quick hitch with the tractor, guys, on the 3-point. I'll show you around the cab of this tractor a little bit, guys. We got all of our controls here. The air conditioner does work, but it's so cold this morning I couldn't verify that for you. But I do want to turn the fan on. It's got a little bit of a squeal to it when you first turn it on. And then I think as it warms up, you can hear it kind of goes away. So, but the little man says that the air conditioner does work.
A fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar. I pick a banjo now.
Radio works good. The glass on this cab is good all the way around, guys. The inside of the cab is very clean. You could put a cab kit on it if you want to. Did want to point out we're missing the insulation and the padding right there. Little rip in it right here, and you can see it's aged a little bit, guys, but overall pretty good shape for the tractor, and the glass is good all the way around. We'll turn the windshield wiper on here. There you go. There's that one there. There's that one over there. I'm going to step down outside the cab now, guys, and just kind of walk around this tractor. Let you guys kind of take a look at it from the outside. Good tires on the front, guys, 1016s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 suitcase weights on the front. Eighteen 438s on the back, guys. I'm going to say the mains and the duals are both about the same. They probably got about 30 or 40% tread left. Come to the back here, guys. You can see 1, 2, 3 remotes, 1000 RPM, 540 RPM. Drawbar's in good shape, hasn't been all wallered out. I think that's a 500-pound weight, but I'll have to double check it, maybe 250, but there's one on each side. John Deere quick hitch is gonna go right with it, guys. Again, the back of the cab glass is all good. I've had this tractor running about 10 minutes now, guys, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start out in first gear, and we're gonna go through all the gears, and I'm gonna take this thing up the road so you guys can see that all the gears are working. Steer's nice, guys. Good power steering on this tractor. You can see it just spins right over. So we're gonna pop the RPMs up to about 1500. We're at 1300 right there, and we're going to start walking through these gears. That's third, fourth. Here we go. Fifth, sixth, seventh. Transmission is good in this tractor, guys. The motor's good. To my knowledge, he has not rebuilt the motor on this tractor. We're gonna get out on the highway here and we'll kick it up a little bit more. This is just a peach of a tractor, guys. Really nice tractor. Okay, we're in 10th gear right here, so we're gonna pop a couple more gears here. 11th. There was 12th, big gap right there, but that's just how John Deere made them. 13, 14, and there's high gear right there. Try to do this one-handed here. We're at 1300 RPM. That's got us up to 1700. That's got us at 1900 RPM right there, guys. All right, I'm gonna have to slow down here a little bit. Turn it back around and head it back to the house. Downshift a little bit here. Again, steering's good on this tractor, guys. Touch the brake a little bit, it helps spin it right around. Both brakes work good, just like they're supposed to. We're gonna pop this back up. We're in 12th here right now. We'll give it a little more fuel and get her back into high gear. Okay, so we're in high gear right there, guys. About 1300 RPM. I hope my videos aren't too long for you guys. Just want to try to give you a feel for how the little tractor runs and drives. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with this tractor, guys. The only reason we're selling it for this gentleman, he's just upgraded to some newer tractors. He's had this for quite a while, and truthfully doesn't really necessarily want to sell it, but simply doesn't have a need for it anymore. And as we all know, when you've got tractors just sitting around, it's not doing you any good. I had that tractor, this tractor was idling here in the driveway whenever I was taking the pictures of it, and I don't see any oil leaks on this tractor. Obviously I can't guarantee that somewhere there's not a real slow leak. I'm gonna back this thing down into fourth gear, and I just want to show you guys that the brakes do work really well on this tractor. So hopefully this will show it. We're in fourth gear. I'm gonna touch the right brake here. You can see it pulls that tractor right over, okay? I'm gonna touch